3号車です。この列車は全車禁煙となっております。車内でおタバコはお吸いいただけません。この列車は8両編成でホームの中ほどに止まります。この列車は途中、広島、新山口、小倉、博多、新鳥栖、久留米、熊本、仙台に止まります。
Welcome to the Shinkansen. The Super Express Sakura 541, departing at 7:33, bound for Kagoshima Chuo, is arriving at track 1. Please stay behind the yellow line on the platform. This train has 8 cars. Car 1 is at the front of the train and car 8 is at the rear. The green seats are in car 6. Cars 1, 2, and 3 are for passengers without seat reservations. This train is completely non-smoking. Please refrain from smoking anywhere on the train.